Howdy, how are you all doing? We're sitting like this for some reason. Today, we are going to do some painting. We're going to paint some models. I have this, and you have that. When I got all of the Warhammer figures a few months back, we had a big bag of them, Tora went, "Can I paint one?" I was like, "Yeah, sure." That was like February, March, and I've only just finished painting the batch, all of them, and I've pulled out some, but in all that time, this one has been sat on the side waiting to be painted and whatever by her. It's now August, so Space Marine with guns and all manner of stuff.
Baton.
And a baton, which could be turned into a
baguette.
No, you could probably extend it and put the flag on it. It can be a bannerman. And I've got a Deathbringer, so let's see how we do. Okay, first off, we have brushes, we have a wet palette, we have the models. Okay, that's been primed, so I sprayed it black. These have been primed in purple because my colours are purple. What colour are you painting it?
I don't know.
Well, it would help if you knew.
Multicolored.
Okay, paints are over there. Go pick your paints and okay, colours picked. So I've got my purples, the red and the gold. I've also got some flesh tones, the Nuln Oil, and I'll possibly use this nasty and horrendous green for the random little rodent thing. Tora has every other colour on that I own, I think, for your marine, which is going to be every colour possible. Let's get going.
Can I start?
Yes, please do. Okay, you know where to start. Do I melt it? I could just hang it so it's up in there like that. If you heat it up, it bends, won't it? Do you think I could melt it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it won't be one of my videos if I don't melt something. Bad idea, but here it goes. Trying to make it. Oh, it's on fire.
What did you think I would do?
I've got to change the bell because the bell didn't ring, so I've now got the bell on. Using green. No, it's a horrible creature.
It's a horrible creature.
Green kind of thing. Stubby brush.
You're so cute! Oh my god, look!
Right, I was trying to record that, but it didn't work. I went to record it, and so I trimmed off the little thorn there, at the top there, so I could put the bell on. So the bell's now hanging on there. How's your doing? This is the very first time Tora's ever painted a Warhammer model of this scale. I may as well just give up now, eh? Okay. We took a break, hence the changing. We left it to dry and now it's the next day. What are you fixing? What are you doing? Tora's trying to fix a flag. What are you looking for?
I'm just trying to make a hole a little bit bigger. Do you want me to stick into that as well?
Show me.
In a minute.
There we go. Our models as painted finally. My Death Guard and Tora's Marine. What's your chapter name? What's the name of the order, the chapter? One's come up with. But are you happy with that? That's as much as you're ever going to get off Tora. Are you happy with that? So there we go. My Deathbringer with the bell, so now it rattles. What do you think? Say it. Come on.
It was interesting.
It was? Would you like to do more?
Maybe.
Could you? Huh?
Maybe.
Maybe. Well, I've got another one to do. Get some things to do, so that's coming up almost immediately. We've just finished this one and we'll go straight into the next one. If you like this and you want to see the next video where we paint little anime characters and little creatures and things, mine ties into mine again, and Tora's is something different. If you want to see that, then you should hit subscribe down there and come back next time for something different or much the same. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and leave some comments down below. Tell us what other things we should do, paint, make, build, burn, destroy, poison ourselves with. Okay, all right, until next time, we shall see you on. Bye.
Flag, 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 flag.
And get started. Helps if you move. Otherwise it'll be here till 10 o'clock and it'll be too dark to paint. Okay.
I just sung it from the one.
You haven't?
She's called Tora. So it's got her name on her shoulder.
You of the future, is it?
Yeah, miniguns. Oh.
Oh, Oh, that whistling's it. Ow! What was that? Did you not hear that?
No.
Oh. What?
You jiggled the table.
Oh, sorry. You're gonna get that.
Great, thanks.
I'm sorry.
Morning would have been good.
I didn't know I was gonna jig.
I just smudged them.
Oh, sorry. Do you want tissue?
Hahaha.
What? What?
I've done my signature.
I can't see. You're doing this.
Okay, hon.
I know.
Hi, honey. Somebody has a wiggly butt. Is it someone's solo?
Well done. Hello. He's a nice smile.
Can't open it.
Stop moving it.
Okay.
Okay.
Not so chapter.